Hi, this is Bob Rakes for the AK Association, and I'm at NAB 2025. And I've just been talking to VNova and getting a demonstration of their new, really impressive volumetric 3D headset system. VNova is the developer of the LC-EVC codec, which is being used in Brazil. It's an MPEG standard. And they are innovators in a lot of video technology. They told me that they've just got their patent count up to about 1,300. So they've got a lot of video technology. And they've been able to use their codec to develop volumetric 3D. So they're demonstrating here how they were able to take 3D CGI content, re-render it into volumetric video, and then send it as a video stream using their codec to a standard Oculus headset. I have to say it's one of the most impressive 3D headset demos I've ever seen. It really is astonishing. The ability to be able to look around objects, there's no occlusion. The sense of reality is really quite compelling. The video quality was not fantastic on an Oculus headset, and they're still looking to improve with more resolution. And of course, at the AK Association, we always like to see more resolution, and AK is an important part of this mix. But really the most impressive thing we've seen at the show, VNova's 3D volumetric for headsets. Very impressive. Bob Rakes for the AK Association at NAB 2025.